Did you got it on cam?
Yeah. Sighting.
Over the Atlantic, or over the... This is a UFO
Pacific.
over the Pacific Ocean.
Right above those buildings there.
Man, it's green. Dude, that's fucking... It's green! It's green! It's coming right over us, man. It's gotta be a heli. Can you focus in on that?
Barely.
Dude, it's like... It's
not a helicopter, Davo.
Dude, what the fuck
That
is
is not
that?
a helicopter, man.
Man, I'm looking right at it.
Oh my god. What the fuck is that?
Dude, look at it! Wow!
Oh my god.
It's so close! What the fuck?
What the fuck is it?
Man. Dude, that's unlike anything I've ever fucking seen. I'm looking through my binoculars at this thing, and it makes no sound. It's going everywhere.
Man, it's
And
silent.
it's
It flew by us at Mach speed.
Dude, what the fuck is that?
Oh my god.
Dude, what the fuck? Yeah!
Oh yeah!
We got it on film!
What the fuck is that shit?
My name is Dave Hoare, and I don't know what the fuck that is, man. I've seen shit.
It disappeared. No way.
Dude, it's fucking gone.
It disappeared. Oh my god, in a sip of a fucking whiskey.
Sip of whiskey and it's gone.
Oh, I think it's down by those trees there, man. I think I spotted it on this camera.
Where?
Look at the one hump of the fucking mountain there. Down in the trees and you see it. Nope. Oh, I lost it. No.